What's up, guys? Webhead Collects here, and today we got another package. Yeah, package heavy. The package coming in strong. So we got another package today. Let's check out what we got. Oh yeah, McFarlane Build-A-Figure, Mr. Freeze. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Got his wonderful freeze gun and freeze effects.
I want a car.
Take that, big boy. And more freeze effects.
This is why Superman works alone.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is gonna be a great addition to my movie Batman's Mr. Freeze. Yeah. Be out. Peace. Your friendly neighborhood color